are going to be making one of my favorite things to have around Christmas, something that I know is going to be one of your favorites after you have it. We're making a chocolate brownie chuckle trifle. Yeah, lots of chocolate. So the first thing we're going to start by doing is chopping our chocolate. This is going to make it much easier for it to melt into our custard. So we're just going to heat our custard on a low heat and then add in our chocolate and stir to melt. So once your chocolate is melted and velvety smooth, all you're going to do is to cover with some paper just so that a skin doesn't form on your chocolate custard. And now we lay on that chocolate, starting with our chocolate brownies. So they go on the bottom of our trifle dish. And you really can make this layer as thick as you want. Our coffee and our Amarula, we're going to use that to drizzle all over our brownies. It's not Christmas without some Chuckles. So I'm going to be adding this to our trifle as well. And let's smash. And now our Chuckles go in a bowl with some gold dust for a little bit of magic. And then this goes over our layer. How festive. This is going to add some great crunch to our trifle. So now our custard has cooled a little bit, and now we're going to add that chocolatey layer to our trifle. Now we're going to work on our cream mixture, starting with our cream. Then I'm also adding in some Amarula and then our icing sugar. And then now we're going to whip everything until soft peaks. And now for another layer, we're going to add our cream to our trifle for just another beautiful contrasting color. Okay, so as if this wasn't enough chocolate, we're going to add some more. So I'm going to be adding this chocolate sauce for another layer. I'm just going to make it nice and neat. Okay, happy with that. And now we are going to add some berry meringue kisses just to make it that much more prettier. I'm going to add them all around, and we're adding a little bit of crunch as well. And now some raspberries as well. So that fruit is going to add just a little bit of tartness to our trifle and also color. This looks just like Christmas actually. And then finally our Chuckles again. You can never have too much of these Chuckles. And there we go. Our Christmas trifle is complete. How beautiful is this? Now, the most important part, it's time for the taste test. And yeah, there really isn't a pretty way to have trifle, so just commit and do it. So I'm trying to get all those layers, that cream, that chocolate, the meringue and the fruit, and then go in there to try get those brownies as well. Yeah. And then now we taste. It tastes just as decadent as you can imagine it tastes. It's so good. This is just the thing you want to have on your festive table.